Okay, hello. My name is Yusuf Fidel, and this is my video, sorry, for the Project 3 BYOW during Summer 22 61BL. Yeah, so my ID is SU 21 dash S100, and yeah, I guess you can get started. So, firstly, this is my code, obviously, for the game. I'm gonna run it now through IntelliJ. It runs. Okay, and then we arrive at the menu screen. So, the game is called The Game, a very descriptive name. And yeah, so these are the menu options. So the first thing we can look at is my secondary feature. So from C, it's gonna allow me to enter my name, my avatar name. So I'll do Yusuf the Awesome, something like that, some random name. Okay, so that'll be my name. And now if I go to create a world, so I press N, it's allowing me to enter my seed. Since this world is pseudo randomly generated, if I'll just go put 3, 2, 1, and then I'll press S to signify that I am finished. Okay, and then we arrive at the game. So yeah, I guess I can talk about the first creative mechanic. So the creative mechanic number one is throughout the map there's going to be these keys, and I'm trying to find them. So we can see the first one here. So if I get it, yeah, so I got one key, and yeah, so that and then there's 5 keys left. If I find all 5 of them, I will win the game. And another thing that you may have noticed is that we don't actually see any other keys right now. And that's because they only become visible once we're a couple tiles away from them. So let me go into this teleporter. And okay, yeah, we see another. So as you can see, if I go away from this, it disappears. But once I come close, it appears again. So I'll get it. And yeah, those are the keys. And yeah, I guess I also just demonstrated the second creative get, which was the teleporter. So these teleporters, if I go into one, it will transport me to any other random teleporter on the map. So yeah, so if I go into it, it says, "Hey, you teleport," and I've teleported over here. And we're actually getting really lucky right now. There's another key here. So I took that key, and we have 3 keys left. And yeah, so I can just close it. Okay, so yeah, and this brings us to so yeah, I guess that thing is where are the other keys? So you might notice that we have these question marks on the map. So now we'll find out what those do. So if I go into one, this brings us to our third creative, which is the memory game interaction, which is also the primary feature. So if I go in, it will allow me to memorize the following word. And I'm going to take a picture of it since I'm not good at memorizing it. So I've taken a picture. And now I have to input the word that I supposedly memorized. Obviously, you're supposed to memorize it. I'm cheating a bit. But yeah. So WML TULREJX. Okay, and congrats, you said awesome. You beat the interaction. Yay, we beat the interaction. That's very cool. Okay, so now if we go back, which it should transport us back. Okay, it says we found a key, and we only have 2 keys left. And you might see that we have 2 interactions left on the map. So we'll probably get those 2 keys from there. Yeah, and I guess another primary feature that we have is if I press L, it's gonna toggle the lights, and now I can only see in a couple of tiles around. And I can press L, and I'll toggle the lights right back. Okay. Yeah. So what about the win-loss conditions of the game? So let's check out the loss condition. So if I go into the question mark, we're gonna lose this game on purpose. So an interesting word. I don't know, probably some alien language or something. So I'm not gonna actually. I'm just gonna put random gibberish. Okay, and we got the word wrong, and we lost the game. So that's the loss condition. If we lose any one of the interactions, we automatically lose the game. And as you may have guessed, if we find all the keys, then we win the game. So actually, I can test it out. So actually, if we lose the game, it saves the game for us, and if I press L, it's gonna load the game right back. So we essentially get another try. And this time, I will try winning the game. So I'm going to actually memorize it this time, and by memorize, I mean take a picture of it and then copy it into the screen. But yeah, okay, and I kind of copied it wrong. So let's hope that I memorize it properly. ZUI JP D T C D. Okay, and we beat the interaction again. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so now we have one more interaction left, I believe. And you also notice that since we load the game, everything is the exact same. It persists the state of the game. The state of the game persists. Sorry. Okay, so let's go into the final interaction, and let's try winning the game. Okay, so I will take once again a picture of it. And okay, we got the picture. Now we wait. Oh, it's already asking me for it. Okay, so XRM CEA QW TD. Okay, and we beat the interaction once again. Yay! And now what we'll find is that we won the game. So yeah, game over. Congrats, you did awesome. We won the game. Yay! Okay, and now the game will not be quit. So yeah, we finished the game. Easy as that. And obviously, there's you can generate a bunch more worlds. Any seed that any seed that you put in will generate completely random world, completely random and unique world. So yeah, okay. So yeah, that's it from me. Bye.